Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to redeem a YouTube premium code. Let's get started. Open your YouTube app on your phone. Once you get in there, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then look for the option that says Get YouTube Premium and tap on it. From there, select Try for Free, followed by choosing the 1-month free option. Then a pop-up will appear where you will need to tap on Redeem Code. Now open up the web browser on your phone and type in the YouTube Premium redeem code here. After that, click to open up the Google support site. Now scroll down on its site and click on the Google Play Balance link. From here, you will find out how to buy and send digital gifts. Then scroll down a bit to see the process of redeeming a gift card or code. So you can use a YouTube gift card or code to make purchases on YouTube. When redeemed, your gift card or code will increase your Google Play balance. You can use the balance to pay for YouTube Premium, YouTube Music Premium, YouTube TV, and many more. Now from here, click on the youtube.com/redeem link, and it will take you to the sign-in process. So you can sign in through your Google account, then enter your name and email address and hit the next button. After that, enter the password and hit the next button. Once you successfully sign in, it will take you to your YouTube Redeem Your Code. Then you have to enter your code, and after that you can redeem the YouTube Premium code. And if you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.